What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Quick introduction, I'm Javier, and this is my 2018 Lexus LC 500. Let's not pay attention to it being a little dirty right now, but I'm just gonna do a quick walk around since I do have a lot of new subscribers who probably subscribe for the LC 500 content, so thank you for that. All right, sorry for the wind if there's any, but we'll start off with the paint. This is a 2018 Inspiration Series, so that means that it's the only year where you can get a coupe in structural blue. And then with the Inspiration Series, this is the only year you can get the orange and blue interior as well. It's the Varus Japan front lip and side skirts. I don't have a rear diffuser at the moment, but I do want one. So I'll give you a closer look at that. All of the carbon on the car I decided to put in satin PPF. So they all have that nice matte look to them. And I really love these side skirts because of this little fold that you get right here. I think it's a really nice body line that stands out with these side skirts now. Then I also have the OEM discontinued rear wing, also satin PPF on there as well. And on the interior, I decided to go with Elvin Wong's blue, hybrid blue carbon fiber gear knob and paddle shifters to go along with it to kind of complete that interior look. Then here on the side mirrors, I have the carbon mirror caps. These are replacements, not a stick-on, from Exotic Car Gear, also wrapped in a satin PPF to kind of complete that look of the car. Now I also have a Blitz carbon fiber intake that I also satin PPF'd. So if I find a video, I'll put that in the video right here. So with this interior, you can see down here, Inspiration Series also got this put in satin PPF as well. But you can see here we have the blue leather, the orange Alcantara with the white leather seats. So the things that I did have to replace when I bought the car, because I bought it secondhand used, was I bought the new bolsters and seat bottoms for the driver's side, and I bought the replacement seat bottom for the passenger side as well. And I also did a new steering wheel. I already did a video about this. Pretty much when you buy those 4 parts, it came out to $4,000. Then it was about $1,100 to install the seats alone. So if you have to go that route, there is a way for you to buy these leather replacement seats for your white seats or any color interior, and get some fresh new leathers in there. So a nice look at the interior one more time. Then above you have blue Alcantara headliner, and also the orange theme continues into the back. So another thing I decided on this car to do was do the entire full body PPF on it. It was expensive, but I think it was worth it because this paint is very, very expensive. I believe a gallon is $5,000 or something like that. So yeah, full body PPF, and yeah, pretty much like I said, all the carbon's PPF, the full body's PPF, so this car is all good. I do a lot of road trips, so it does come in handy, and I do find it worth it. All right, so let's move on to performance mods, and I'm gonna do quote fingers because I don't really think intakes and exhausts make much of a difference in terms of power. But like you guys saw earlier, the Blitz Japan carbon fiber intake, I did pair it up with the largest inverted cone filters that would fit from AFE Power, and I actually did a video on that, and it did pick up a few grams per second, so it is an increase in airflow. The mid-pipe Exart Japan, and then the axle back it's paired to is the Powercraft Japan one. And the last thing I did, which is kind of like the biggest improvement that you can do on these cars without going headers, is I have swapped in the rear differential from the hybrid version of the LC 500. So that is a very expensive mod to do, but you do pick up some performance gains. And if you want to see anything about that, I also have a video fully reviewing the hybrid rear differential and how much performance gains we had, 60 to 130 and 40 to 120. On the road to 100,000 miles, so stay tuned and join us for the journey as we try to get this car to 200,000 miles. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next video. We'll keep this nice and short. Get you some footage of the car from different angles with the kit on.